Morning, folks. Sitting here at Grandma Helen Northup's table, and it kind of dawned on me that maybe some of you guys, since you're not Hun-yakers like me, that maybe you don't know what the units of measurement that I use mean. I mean, like for example, a knuckle. One knuck is on a man from Hungary, approximately 1 inch. So when we talk about 4 knucks deep, it's actually 4 inches deep, because we only got 3 knuckles, and you go up to the finger there, and she's 4 inches, so it's really 4 knucks deep. So three knucks deep is just somewhere between my second knuckle and my third knuckle. It's kind of a weird measurement, but Hun-yakers, they don't know no better. And I was thinking about the measurement of acre. You know, an acre is about 209 feet square. Not 209 feet in one direction and 209 feet in the other. So when they say the visibility is 1 acre, that means they can only see about 105 feet or so in every direction. And that basically covers an acre. And when they say 5 acres, that means probably approximately 320 or so feet. It's all they can see, because you take that whole circle around that first 200-foot circle, and you end up with about 5 acres total that you can see. They don't look at it like some people, like a football field is 300 yards or 100 yards or whatever, because, you know, they don't play football. They're weird, you know, that way. And I was thinking of another unit of measurement that was kind of, not unit of measurement, but of articulating where they're at, you know. They don't say, oh, we're 10 miles from Bemidji or something like that. They say, oh, we're over by Colvick's, or, you know, Ben Rortvik's place. Well, if you don't know Ben Rortvik, how would you know that we're talking about a mile that way over on the other side of the section line? That's where Ben Rortvik's place is, for Pete's sakes. Or if you're talking about Roy Ziegler's, he lived up over this way, about a half a mile or so on a big long road. Well, if you were to Hun-yaker, how would you know? How in the heck would you know where Roy Ziegler's place is? So it's, you people, you need to study up a little bit on some of these Pleasant Valley euphemisms, you know. Colvick's Creek. Why, for Pete's sakes, we know exactly where that is. Claypool's Creek. We know exactly where that is. But you know what's funny about Colvick's Creek and Claypool's Creek? It's the same dang creek. It's just in a different place. But then you know specifically where you're talking about when you say Claypool's Creek. It's down there by Claypool's, where Claypool's used to live. Well, nowadays Claypool's don't even live there anymore. So you need to study up so that you can keep up. Goodbye.